Demi from Demi Does It All. It's Friday, June 14th, I think, because I don't know what the date is. I'm pretty sure it's 14th. I am just taking my lunch break. I already had a 15-minute break eating. I just stepped outside to get a few minutes of fresh air and sunlight. Also, I always like checking on my plants. I'll show you guys. We have a few peppers growing. I wasn't able to do the full garden that I wanted to do, just due to time and things going on. So I ended up just planting everything on my deck. Easier for me to take care of. So I'll show you guys the progress. Things are growing. But I have about 45 minutes to do a kitchen refresh that I've been wanting to do and film before my sitter gets back and before my lunch break's over and I have to get back to work. So I'm gonna get to it. Hope everyone's having a good day. I'll show you our peppers and stuff that are growing really quick. I forgot to push record when I was removing everything from here and clearing it out, so there's that. We're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, now we're gonna run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. Gonna let the world know. The final product. My new coffee bar. I like it. Relaxing. Cleared off here. Nick's gonna put the fish tank up. We have a nice one for the goldfish, so we'll get that set up later today. Now I gotta get back to work. Hey guys! So I wanted to show you, well, first of all, I have literally 25 minutes till I have to leave to go pick up the kids. But I worked all day. I didn't even take a lunch break and I'm gonna have to work when we get back too. So this is the only chance I have. But I wanted to show you this really cute romper that I got from Cabinetcleaning. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. But yeah, so it looks like a skirt in the front and then actually shorts in the back. I love it. I might order another one in a size medium because this is kind of snug, and I feel like it's short. I get shy because I feel like I'm a mom and I should be more conservative. But yeah, I love this because it kind of hides the mom pooch, and then this is also flattering. So I will leave the website below, and actually Cabinetcleaning's offering us 10% off amazingly if you use the code DEMI, D-E-M-I. But I will leave the website and the coupon code on the screen below when I edit, and I will also leave it in the description box. But I got 2 other shirts that I will show you later on, hopefully if I have time. But yeah, I am in love. So thank you, Blanca, for working with me, giving us that 10% off. I'm loving it for summertime. Also, I'm just wearing it with flats, but you can wear it. You can dress it down and wear it with sneakers. You can also dress it up and wear it with like heels. I have really cute like wedges that I can wear it with. But again, that's what I do with the larger one. You probably can't hear me. But yeah. So, anyways, go check them out. They have really cute stuff. Oh, also, this is on sale right now for $35.99, and then you can also get 10% off. So, definitely make sure you go and check it out. Okay, and now I need to finish filming my kitchen refresh video before I go get the kids. So now I'm down to 23 minutes. Let's get this done. So, as you can see, that we finally set up our fish tank for our fish. But yeah, I just have to wipe down the counter here. I already did that cabinet and the backsplash. So I just need to do the dishwasher, wipe that off, and wipe off the rest of the stuff. But I need to stop talking and get to work because I don't have a lot of time. So let's do this. Now I'm going to attempt to do something with all this stuff in this catch-all corner because it annoys the crap out of Nick and it annoys me too. Oh, I'm gonna do a video, but I got these new workout bands that I'm gonna start using that I want to tell you guys all about. But yeah, look how cool. This is the first one I'll be using. This is the one I got for Nick. Where's the front? There we go. So, I'm excited for us to try.
On the run from a given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my fate.
Okay, so like we said, we are not striving for perfection here. We're just striving for done and clean. I was able to wipe everything down. Obviously, I still have dishes when I get home because I have to empty out that dishwasher. But yeah, I still have to clean the microwave and the oven, you know, just wipe it down, not like doing a deep clean. Obviously I wasn't doing a deep clean of anything, but yeah, wipe down all of this. Like I said, I'm gonna work on that ledge later, and we're gonna work on the refrigerator. We did this earlier, and then I just need to vacuum and mop the floor. So let's go get the kids.
In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till the bend, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving. I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can't take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime, so if you don't mind we will dance till it's way past late. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you, I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you. He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the battleship. So count to 10, then again, Mississippi.